In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Ads time zone. Whether you're new to Google Ads or a seasoned advertiser, understanding how your account's time zone affects your reporting and billing is crucial. Unfortunately, changing your time zone in Google Ads isn't as straightforward as you might hope. Let's dive into the steps and discuss why. Firstly, you'll start by navigating to your Google Ads account. This is where all your campaigns live, and understanding how to navigate this space is key to managing your ads effectively. Once you're in, look for the overview section. Here, you get a bird's eye view of your account's performance, but more importantly, it's your gateway to deeper settings. You might notice there's no direct option to adjust your time zone from the main dashboard. This is where many users get stuck, but not to worry. The next step is to locate the admin hover option. It's not immediately obvious, so take your time to familiarize yourself with the different sections of the interface. Upon finding admin, click on it and then proceed to select account settings. This section is the nerve center for your account details, where you can review your information and make necessary adjustments to settings like language, currency, and, you might assume, the time zone. Click on the time zone setting expecting to edit it. This is where Google outlines the importance of the time zone setting and why it's not as easy to change as one might like. Here's the twist: you're greeted with a Learn More option instead of an editable setting. Clicking this takes you to more detailed information regarding your time zone setting. You'll learn that your account's time zone is permanently set when you create your account. This might be a little disheartening to hear. The time zone is foundational to how your account's reporting and billing functions operate. It influences how data is aggregated and displayed, and more importantly, it affects how your billing cycles are determined. This setting ensures that your data is consistent and reliable over the lifetime of your account. Now, you might be wondering, what if I really need to change my time zone? Google's infrastructure is designed with stability and reliability in mind, which is why this setting is locked in. However, there is a workaround, but it's a bit of a nuclear option. Google suggests that if changing your time zone is absolutely necessary, your only recourse is to create a new account. Yes, that means starting from scratch. You'll need to set up your campaigns, settings, and preferences all over again. While this might seem extreme, it ensures that your data integrity remains intact. If you decide to go down this path, you'll need to fill in your account information all over again. When you get to the billing page, this is where you can set your desired time zone for your new account. It's essential to choose wisely this time around, considering the permanent nature of this setting. Now, before you rush off to create a new account, consider the implications. Rebuilding your account includes recreating any campaigns, ads, and keywords you previously had set up. Not to mention, any historical data won't transfer over. This is why this step should only be taken if it's absolutely necessary for your business operations. So, what have we learned today? Google Ads time zone setting is a critical part of how your account operates, affecting everything from reporting to billing. While changing this setting might seem like a simple task, it's woven into the fabric of your account's infrastructure. For those who absolutely need a different time zone, creating a new account is the go-to solution, albeit with significant considerations to keep in mind. I hope this video has shed some light on how to navigate the Google Ads time zone setting and what steps to take if a change is desperately needed. Remember, planning ahead and choosing the correct settings when you first set up your account can save you a lot of time and effort down the line. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your Google Ads account.